And this is what's jumping in my pot today. Blueberry buttermilk pancakes. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients I will be using. Granulated sugar, eggs at room temperature, buttermilk, pure vanilla extract, unsalted butter. I have in here baking soda, baking powder, and salt. These are the blueberries. And this is the all-purpose flour. Now, this is the first thing we're going to do. I'm going to take the all-purpose flour, mix the sugar, the baking powder, baking soda, and salt together. And we're going to take a whisk and whisk this up. Let's set that to the side. Now we're going to take the melted butter, put it in this bowl here. Take the buttermilk, pour it in, and I add the vanilla extract, the eggs, and we're going to whisk all of this up together. Now, we're going to put the wet ingredients into the dry. We're going to mix everything up together.
A lot of people don't know that they have the majority of the ingredients right in their home and they can make chemical-free organic pancakes right at home. They don't got to buy box pancakes.
That's right. It's so quick and simple.
And it's cheap. It's not as expensive as you think it would be.
Now we've mixed this up totally, and we're going to set it to the side and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to put the griddle on and make the pancakes. Now that the griddle is hot, we're going to add a little oil and butter. Now let's add the batter.
You can also do this as whole wheat pancakes too, right?
Yes, you can. You use whole wheat flour.
Oh,
Now we're going to drop the blueberries in.
I guess you want to make sure that you have the fire really low so it doesn't burn.
Yeah, you're supposed to put the fire on medium low. And how do you know when it's time to flip them? If they get golden around the edges, when it starts to turn golden brown, then you flip them.
Yeah, that looked pretty good. It looks like a pancake should look. See, you didn't even break it. That was perfect.
Now we're going to add the maple syrup.
We only use maple syrup because a lot of the other store-bought syrups have tons of chemicals and high fructose corn syrup. Maple syrup is always the way to go. It costs more, but it's worth it. Look at that. That looks really good. Look ready to eat.
There you have it. Blueberry buttermilk pancakes from scratch. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Bye.